In today's video, I am going to teach you how to publish and sell an ebook online with Kit. To get started, log into your Kit account and head to the Earn area. This is where Kit keeps everything related to selling, including your products and checkout pages. Once you are in Earn, click Products. You should now be looking at your product dashboard where you can create something new or manage items you have already published. Next, click the button labeled New Product. Kit will open a simple setup flow that walks you through creating a sellable product page and a delivery file in just a few screens. Now enter your ebook title. Choose a clear, specific name that matches what your audience will see on the checkout page. This title is important because it is part of how people recognize what they are buying. After you type in the title, click Next to continue. On the pricing screen, choose Standard, which is the one-time fee option. This is the right choice for a typical ebook sale, where a customer pays once and gets access to the download. After selecting Standard, click Next again. When Kit asks for the product type, select A Digital Download. This tells Kit that your product will be delivered as a file, like a PDF or another ebook format. Then click the option to choose a file and upload your ebook from your computer. Make sure you upload the final version you want customers to receive, because this is the exact file Kit will deliver after purchase. It also helps to double-check the file name so it looks professional. After that, you will set the link people will use to access your product page. You can connect a custom domain if you have one, which helps keep your branding consistent. Or you can use the default Kit URL if you want the fastest setup. Once you are happy with the domain option, click Create Product. Finally, press Publish to make your ebook product live. As soon as you publish, Kit will generate a shareable link for your product page. You can use that link in your email campaigns, on your website, or anywhere you promote your ebook, so customers can purchase and download it right away. That covers everything you need to know.